What did they have this morning?
Ano po, tea, isa katalong, tapos...
I think I should change my channel to the food of the Philippines because all we do is eat here. What do we have here for breakfast, Langga?
We have fried egg, sunny side up. We have menudo, a mixture of potatoes, carrots, pork. We also have here
Gulay.
pakbet. Yeah, pakbet or gulay. It's also a mixture of different vegetables. Sayote, squash, eggplant, and bagu beans.
And then over here we also have some eggplant.
Eggplant.
Nice one. And of course rice.
No rice, no power. No power, no food.
Okay, so now we are going back to the room to change because we're gonna go swim. It's still raining, but so we're not gonna go diving. I was looking forward to diving here because Moalboal is very famous for diving, right? But it's not a good idea because if it rains, a lot of the water in the streams push into the ocean and it's zero visibility. So we're just gonna go swimming. Excited to go to the beach?
Super stoked.
Where are we going, by the way?
We're going to Basdaku or the White Beach.
The White Beach.
Yeah, do you think it's gonna be a white beach or a yellow beach?
Ambot. Apparently this is the busy area. It said so on Google Maps, so I guess we should get a tricycle here, huh? Oh, there goes one. So we're here in basdaku,
Basdaku.
which means bas means sand, right? And daku means big.
Yeah,
So it's big sand,
big sand.
beach. There you can see Negros.
Yes, Negros. Oriental.
Yeah, on this side's Oriental, on the other side is Occidental. And it's nice and quiet because today is Monday. It's cold, yeah. I expected it to be warmer. My snorkel and diving glasses quickly because maybe I can swim out and see some fish or something. Then I can at least get this bit of snorkeling in. Water is much better now that we're used to it, huh?
Yeah.
Also the color is getting nicer as the sun is getting out. Here's your goggles. Wow, Langa, that was really amazing.
Did you see a lot
I saw a lot of fish and a lot of reef, and there's a little bit of a current, but I did not expect the visibility to be that good.
Really? What kind of fish did you see? Did you see Nemo?
I did not see Nemo. Nemo. I didn't see Nemo, but I saw bluefish and blackfish, and I'll show you the video.
Okay.
It's amazing. It would be actually a good idea to go diving. I thought with the cloudy weather, it's not gonna be very bright down there, but it actually looks really good. Is really enjoying the water over there. I don't know if you can see because I'm filming on the GoPro, but over there the water looks different. Just as you get to the reef, there's a much stronger current pushing, so I was actually battling against the current most of the time. And I got a bit tired, that's why I got out, so I'm just gonna sit on the beach here. Okay, we're done swimming now. We're gonna go home, shower, and then might do another episode of... What's that?
It's Spider-Man.
Wow! Anyway, we're gonna go home, shower, and do another episode of the food of the Philippines.
Yeah!
We're gonna go get lunch. So here we are doing our favorite activity again. Having lunch, we have pork
With patata and carrot. Here noodles, pancit, pork lumpia. I don't know if it's pork. And then this is pork with a soup.
Pork with soup and rice, of course. Okay, so we met this guy next door where we're staying, and he took us out to this spot. This is a sardine spot. Look at this, man. So right now we are sitting on our veranda watching the Philippine Open. Pretty cool. They have a tennis court right here.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I'm pretty sure the owner is like very into. Since we have a fridge, we bought some of this Genebra, and also Tess says she likes it with Sprite.
Of course.
The last time I drank this was in that vlog with Malden, link here. And which is really cool is that we have a fridge with a freezer, so I also bought ice. We actually had a really hard time getting this because we were looking for the small bottle, which is like 45 pesos.
Yeah.
This is a 700 milliliter and it costs 187 pesos. This is also fun.
Are we gonna drink the whole bottle tonight?
Of course not.
Joke only.
The mosquitoes are killing me. You open this, I need to get the coil.
Okay.
This is the trusty coil. And I don't have a lighter, so I'm just using this one. And if you don't have the steel thing that comes with it, the bottle works perfectly fine. The Filipino mosquitoes really like South African blood.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We're ending another vlog with drinking. I promise we're not alcoholics. We're just on holiday. Tagay.
Tagay para patay.
Tagay para patay. It's really good,
It's
yeah.
really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to drink the whole bottle.
No. Anyway, You're not gonna find out, so hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.